friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a Superman laser effect in KineMaster. So let's get started. Now I'm in KineMaster and I've imported my video. Now I'm creating a marker on the timeline at where I'm shooting the laser. You can create this marker by tapping on the time indicator. Let's click on first marker. Go to layer and click on the text and type I. That's what I'm going to use to create the laser light. Let's change the font to Robot T. Let's add some blues to the text. I'm changing the spread to 26, the size to 30, and then the color to red. Now I'm adjusting the position and the rotation to be in line with my eye. Let's keyframe the laser to move in the direction of my eye. Let's duplicate the laser light. Adjust the position and the rotation to be in line with the second eye and keyframe it. Adjusting the position and the rotation to be in line with my eye.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay.
Let's keyframe the laser light to move in the direction of the eye.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Let's duplicate the laser light, adjust the position and the rotation to be in line with the second eye and keyframe it.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna.
Let's repeat the same step in all the markers.
Maybe we could be okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away.
you fade away.
As you fade away.
Let's add some smoke. So at the first marker, click on layer, go to media, click on video asset. I downloaded this smoke effect from KineMaster Asset Store. To download, just click on the store icon on the right side of the screen.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
I'm changing the blending mode to screen, and I'm also rotating and scaling it to match the direction of where the laser light is going.
Under my bed, think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
Let's duplicate it and move it to the second marker and repeat the same step in all the markers.
Like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless.
After adding smoke to the markers, let's remove the sharp edges of the smoke by going to Groovy, clicking on Max, and drag the feather to 50.
With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel
I'm
the
doing
sweat
this for
inside my
all
palm.
the smoke effect.
Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there.
I've exported my video in 12 frames per second so that I can have some issue blend the video. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And as always, keep creating